Hello, my name is Matt Knopf. I'm with P&G Technologies out of Michigan. We're a supplier of propane forklift parts along with forklift propane kits. Today we're going to be showing you what comes in a TCM forklift kit. This covers the model number F6, 25 FG25, the N5T, and the N6T. Now this has the Nissan H20-Roman numeral 2 engine. Also they call it the H25. So we carry two different version kits on this. We carry the KC, which is for kit complete, which is for a lift truck that was on gasoline and you're looking for everything to convert it over. So it'll come with your tank brackets to hold your tank all the way down with all your connections to your carburetor. The only thing it will not come with is the actual tank itself. And then we also carry the KP kit, which is for kit partial, which is for freshening up an older system, so you're just going to get the carburation under the hood. So we'll go ahead and show you what comes along with that kit. Okay, now the kit we have up here is the KC, the complete kit. And that'll come with your tank brackets to hold your tank, your toggle clamps to latch your tank brackets, the locating pin, all your hardware for that. It'll come with your vapor hose to connect from your carburetor to your regulator, all your LPG high pressure hose, your vacuum hose, you'll get your water hose, you'll get your connections for your tank, the 7141F connection, along with your bulkhead that mounts to the counterweight. You'll get your complete regulator assembly with your lock off, all the hardware, the bracket to mount that. You'll get your pipe compound. You'll get all your fittings to tie in for your water, your fuel pump cover plate and gasket, along with your tie straps. Comes with the hose clamps, your hardware for mounting your bracket. The most crucial part about the kit is obviously the carburetor. Now this carburetor is set up for the H20 Roman numeral 2 or the H25 Nissan engine. All your linkage will be done. You have your bracket for your fast dash pod, your return spring. It'll come with another return spring on the back side. You get your offset adapter for the bottom, your two studs to mount your air cleaner to the top. That's the most important part about it. Now on the KP kit, the only thing that you won't get is you will not get your tank brackets, nor will you get your latches for the tank brackets or your hardware for that. You will not get your connection to your tank or your bulkhead. Basically, you'll get everything else just to replace and update the old system. So that's what comes with that kit there. Okay, that shows you the two different versions we carry on the TCM forklift, the KC and KP. Now again, this covers the model numbers of the F625, the FG25, the N5T, and the N6T. And this has the Nissan H20-Roman numeral 2. Also, they call it the H25 engine. If you're interested in purchasing this kit, you can go to our website at pngtechnologies.com, or we could be reached at 734-992-2648. I hope this video helps out. If you have any questions, again, feel free to call us. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.